City of Bengaluru, where food trends come and go, this small corner Darshini in the hustle bustle of JP Nagar hasn't changed much in the last 35 years. And maybe that's exactly why people keep coming back here. This food joint sells over 1,000 plates of idli vada a day, their chutney has a cult following, and their business, it makes over 5 crores a year. Sounds interesting, right? And maybe that is why today we are here. Started in 1991 by Mr. Ramachandra Bhatt, SN Refreshments wasn't built on some fancy business strategy but on the simplicity of honest food and heartfelt service.
My name is Rituparna, and yes, I manage this hotel called as SN Refreshments. This is started by my uncle.
Okay.
His name is Ramachandra Bhatt,
Yes.
and he's been managing this from past 34 years.
ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಐಟಮು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ ನೋ ಲಂಚ್. ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಐಟಮು ಅದೇ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಇದು ನಾವು ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ನಾವು ಓನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಆವಾಗಿನ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನೇ ನೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
This is a very interesting thing. When we started, the hotel was only this big.
Oh, okay. So you all expanded it.
Yes, over a period of time, we got wings. Okay, so this is the place where it's mostly like a self-service dine-in for our customers. Coffee counter, idli vada counter, and dosa counter, cash counter. Okay.
How many people usually come in a day? Like what's the customer footfall?
We have typically about 700,000.
700 to
500 to 700.
700. Wow. And is it like usually busier on weekends or?
Yeah, weekends we have
It's
a lot
more
of others.
busier.
So this is the dosa counter. This is where we do all the dosas. And there is where all the hot idlis and all the preparation gets done.
Got it.
So all credit goes to the way they have brought about the entire institution.
Right.
So they're literally like all the people who work here have been here from here.
ಕುಮಾರ SNR ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಇರೋದು 96ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರಿದೆ.
People here have taken up the responsibility, and they run the show even if we
You all
not
are not around.
when all of our family, my maternal grandfather's family, when they came to Bangalore, their main origin was in a place called as Shankar Narayana, which
Yeah.
is near Udupi.
Yes.
So that is a cuisine that comes
From there.
with the culture itself, a
Fair.
flavor that's come from there. That is something that they were exposed to. That is something they said, okay, what we are good at, let us do it. So even today, even there as well as here, even if the items are limited, we say, even if items are limited, give it at the best quality
Fair.
or best possible way.
And I think that is what keeps you all running since so many years.
Yes. So we start off in the morning by 7 o'clock,
Okay.
but the preparation begins at 4.
Okay.
So 4 a.m. we have the cooks who will be coming here, who will be preparing all the dishes, starting
Right.
from sambar. We follow traditional system of making the batter idli. So the preparation begins one day prior for
of
what
course. Yes.
is supposed to happen today. Uh, as the preparation begins, there's one round of cleaning, and by 7 o'clock we are ready to open the hotel. This is to serve people who are working nearby.
Yeah.
We have a lot of IT company employees, or sometimes people who are in the nearby office spaces
Right.
who come here for lunch.
Right.
It's simple lunch, something that people would prefer. Basically, one of the things that people love coming here for is chutney, what we serve.
Yeah.
So that is what many people like. But apart from that, I truly believe our USP is serving with smile.
Oh.
So one of the things is we have about 70% of the customers who come here regularly.
How many plates of idlis do you sell in a day?
Literally not counted that, but on an average, I think about 700,000
700 to 1000 plates.
maybe.
That's cool. Right.
The beauty is the people whom we procure inventory from
Huh.
are also serving us from past 34 years.
Oh,
So right from the day we started, we only have one supplier.
okay.
So we have a good understanding
With
that,
them,
Yes, we have been working with them, and that is what is, I think, business all about. It's about managing, securing, and maintaining good relationships.
Right.
May it be behind the scenes, which is with the people who are our suppliers, and also in the scenes with our customers.
Right. Are you also associated with online platforms like Zomato?
We are
Swiggy?
currently associated with Zomato, and apart from that, it is only offline.
Okay.
Like I said, 70% of people who come here are basically people who stay in PGs, hostels,
Right.
or working class.
Right.
Some people whom we see regularly.
Yeah.
So that is what this is all about.
For a one plate of idli vada, how much is the margin that you all have? Profit margin?
10% to 15%. That is what is what is.
Got it. Has shifting the business to platforms like Zomato also affected the sales in any way?
I don't think so, because most of the customers who order on Zomato also were the ones who used to come here.
Okay. Yeah.
Now that they're a little lazy, that's all. But of course, lazy, it can also be in good terms. Somebody is working, somebody is not able to come that day.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the reason it is Zomato. But yes, it's definitely added a boost presence, and it's also added a lot of convenience to people.
Is there a specific percentage of like this much percent of sales usually come from the offline part and like this much
For us, it is typically 90% is offline.
offline and like 10% that is from Zomato and other online
Correct.
platforms? Can you tell us like the monthly turnover, if not the?
Everything you can just check with them only.
But will they answer?
I don't think so.
Think so, yeah. Like you said, there are people who have been coming in for years and years, and how have you all built that loyal customer base throughout the years?
I think this is not only for Essence Refreshment, but if there is any customer who's loyal to any hotel, it is because of two reasons. One is because of hygiene, two is because of quality of food.
Right.
Right? We want to have good quality of food because this is all that matters.
Right.
Body is your temple. And two is hygiene, how you prepare. After that comes every other factor like serving with love, caring your customers. How is it that you can see to that they are benefited well? All of these things is secondary, but first impression is about your hygiene and quality.
Got it. Did y'all ever consider franchising or opening any other outlet? Because I see this is the only thing that y'all have been having since 34 years. So did y'all ever consider the option?
When I came after completing my masters, I was in all the mood to tell let's expand.
Yeah.
But over a period of time, it was maturity, I think, where it was also belief of my uncle and aunt, where they told have one place, serve them with love,
Right.
and to that extent, where customers search and come to you. So we've had people who landed from US just in the flight, and before going home, they come here, have idli vada. And even on an everyday basis, we hear customers who tell, they're coming from Yelahanka, which is about 20-25 kilometers from here.
Yeah.
Some people who are coming from nearby, town. All of these kind where they've come, just about 30-40 kilometers only to have. So I think that is what I've understood. If there's one place you can have your presence there and give your best,
Right.
people will come searching for you.
That's good actually.
After analyzing what goes behind the bill at Ascent Refreshments, one thing that we realized is that there's no expansion plan, no franchising, no marketing agency, no multiple outlets, yet Ascent Refreshment wins because they show up every day with the same food, same faces, and the same love they started with 35 years ago. And that is what makes them unique.
ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡೋ ಐಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಖುಷಿಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
I mean, as a fellow Hyderabadi, I recommended every Hyderabadi to come here. Like, I mean, what I felt when I eating Hyderabad tiffin, I felt same exactly.